we're making an Aeropress cup of coffee. Boil your water. I like to let it sit just a little bit so it's not too boiling hot. You're not supposed to have it boiling. Take your little filter and you put it in the little thing. Now, my friend's brother, who's a physicist, said the best way to do it is to like get it a little wet first. So you can do that too. Then take your thing, you screw it on really tight, otherwise it can leak and that sucks. So screw it on tight. Take your lid. This comes with it. And then, actually I want to show you a feature before I do this. So if your cup, for whatever reason, doesn't fit this thing, you can use this as an attachment, like this, and put it in a smaller cup. See? They have thought of everything for this. Whatever. Then you put in your coffee, like so. They give you a scooper so you can measure, but I never use it because I've perfected it completely in my own way. Now, here we go. Put in a little tiny bit of water. Take your magic wand, okay? And then you make mud with it. And that's key. Is this like unlocked some special magical aspect of coffee beans that you otherwise wouldn't unlock? Okay, so you made that. Now you can add your water. I like to go to 3. Clearly mine is some use. There's 3. Okay. Put it in there. Give it a stir. Now, you might want to do this, let it sit for a while. My friend's husband likes to let it sit for like 10 minutes. I think that's crazy. I think 20 seconds is good. Just depends how strong you like your coffee. Same with the grind. If you grind it too fine, it's very strong. Take your plunger. I guess I don't have to do the aerobic.
You do the aerobic
version. Okay.
Yeah.
Here's what I like to do. So you put your cup on the floor, and then you get a really good hamstring stretch if you do it like this. And I just stretch it out for as long as it takes. But if you want, you can apply more pressure and get to do that. Okay. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. So then you have an espresso or an Americano, depending on how much water you put in. Best part is still to come. Come with me to the sink. Give it a rinse. Okay.
Because it's hot, right?
It's hot. Yeah, you don't want to burn yourself. And then unscrew it if possible. Okay, there we go. And, okay, I have a compost right here. Now watch this. That's how you clean it. You just pop it out. Give it a rinse. Done. Clean. Ready for the next cup. Merry Christmas.